Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned if you'd like to see how I got these super moisturized curls using a brand that is new to myself that I have not tried before called NaturALL Club. So we're going to start by using the NaturALL Cleansing Avocado Shampoo. So I'm dampening my hair with some water and going to add a generous amount of shampoo and just going to start shampooing my scalp. This shampoo contains natural ingredients that do not strip the hair of its natural oils. And it also contains tea tree oil that helps prevent dandruff, psoriasis, and other scalp issues. So next we're going to go in with the NaturALL Dry Hair Solution Deep Conditioner. And this conditioner actually contains real fruit to nourish and moisturize the hair. And the conditioner will last up to 2 weeks room temperature and up to 3 months if you freeze it. So I really like how this conditioner was feeling going through my hair. And so there was not enough deep conditioner in that pack for my hair, y'all. So we're going to use the Hydrating Avocado conditioner to continue conditioning the rest of my hair. And I could already tell these products were working, you guys. My hair was just feeling so soft as I added the product in and just continued to condition. And so I'm going to put on my plastic bag and let these sit for at least 45 minutes. So we now have both conditioners rinsed out and are ready to add our leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to be adding the Nourishing Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. So I always split my hair into 4 sections to make it easier when I'm detangling and just adding in products. So I'm just starting in the back section and adding a generous amount of conditioner. And this leave-in does not have to be refrigerated and is really good in preventing frizz when styling your hair. And to style, we're going to be using the Flaxseed Gel Curl Custard plus Yogurt. And this styler uses yogurt powder that contains proteins and dairy lipids and also vitamins and minerals to help strengthen the hair. And this styler is super lightweight and gives more of a medium hold and is definitely more of a watery consistency, but still gives really good definition. I really saw good definition in my hair, as you all could see at the beginning of the video, and I will be showing you towards the end of the video. So yeah, and so I'm just going to add perm rods to the end to give it a nice curl at the ends. And so I'm just going to repeat the same process all over and leave out one section for my twists. So I'm going ahead and sectioning off this corner of hair for the twist. And I'm going to end up splitting that into 2 sections to create 2 twists straight back. And so now I'm ready to go ahead and start with the twist. So I'm trying to make the part as straight as possible. Y'all, I'm not the best parter when it comes to parting my hair. And so I'm going to be using the Flaxseed Gel Edge Control to lay down the twist. And so I'm just going to do a roll type twist and just roll the hair all the way to the back and then leave out the ends of the twist. And I'm going to put a small black rubber band to secure it in place, and then just going to 2-strand twist it and add a perm rod at the end like I did the rest of my hair. And so I'm just going to do the same thing to this top twist. And so this is what it's looking like with all of the twists and rollers in place. So I'm going to let this dry overnight and show you all what it's looking like the next day. And so my hair is dry, you guys. For the most part, it is dry. And so I am taking out my rollers and going to start unraveling my twists. And so I think I used a little bit too much of the styler. I went a little bit heavy-handed with the styler. Y'all are going to see that. It's just a little bit that didn't dry at the ends of my hair. But, you know, outside of that, I loved how my hair turned out. It was extremely soft with all of the products combined after shampooing, adding the leave-in, and using that styler. And so it came out super, super cute. And so y'all let me know if you have ever tried this brand or plan on trying it out. I will leave the link in the description bar to find all of the products that were used. So yeah, y'all let me know your thoughts. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video.